Hi, I have received multiple requests for asking how to update Flattrade credentials in Excel sheet. So in our algo, we support Zerodha, Kotak and Flattrade, all three brokers. But right now I'm explaining how to update Flattrade credentials. We'll see after how to run algo live again and we'll discuss remaining things. Let's go to API key sheets. In API key sheet, here we need to update all this information. So first let me take, oh I closed, give me a minute. So we need to update user ID based on your Flattrade account. After updating user ID, we need to get password and TOTP. Password, whatever the password you have for your account, you can update. And TOTP, how to get, and API key, secret key, I will show it in this video. Please follow this video completely. Let's make this small. Done. So once you go to ledger in Flattrade, you will be redirected to this URL. Once you receive this, click on Pi. Once you click on Pi, you will see create new API key. In create new API key, enter name. Any name you can give. It is not compulsory you need to give something. You can give any name. Test Flattrade I am giving right now, and here we need to enter some URL. Just for example, I am entering https colon double slash www.google.com. Any URL you can enter, and this is optional place. And here something we need to enter. Just I am entering same details, and here we need to agree this. After agreeing, click on create. Okay, app short name already exists. Okay, so I will delete some later. Now it got created. So this is my test Flattrade account right now. In this, I need to copy API key. This is the API key. Copy. If you click on this button, it will copy automatically. Go back to Excel. Paste API key. After pasting, go back to page again. Click on this secret key. So this is the secret key. Copy. Go back to here. Yeah, we need to paste in the place where secret key is and API key is. We should not mismatch this. So secret key, API key updated. Now I need to update a password. After updating password, I need to get TOTP. TOTP we will get in Flattrade page. Don't worry, I will be deleting all these API keys after this video. By the time I upload this video, I will change all the credentials. Click on profile. Once you click on profile, click on security. In securities, click on TOTP. So this is TOTP. Just copy this. After copying it, go back to Excel sheet and paste it here. Done. So we have updated all the details. Now based on these details, we can start the algo. Let's go back to settings. Here already I have updated true here, and I'm giving 50,000 capital, and I'm selecting Flattrade. So I'm running with 1 minute scalping only. Let's start the algo. So if double click on this, this is similar to exe file what you get in the download. So algo started. Already algo is running in the backend. This is in paper trade mode, and today I have did some small trade only with 2500 rupees capital. I have made 700 rupees profit. See, so only with 2500 capital I made 700 rupees profit. Algo works pretty good actually. let this start. Don't know, it is taking time. Okay, algo started. So once it started, we should receive message saying, okay, I have not updated password properly. I will update it now. Just give me a second. Why it is giving the Flattrade login successful? So right now I have updated all username, password, API keys, everything. So let's restart the algo again. Algo restarted. Yeah, algo logged in successfully to Flattrade and Zerodha. So as I confirmed in the previous video, our algo uses Zerodha for running the complete script. So we need to update Zerodha credentials without miss. And I have explained how to get Zerodha credentials, everything in previous video. Go through it. So we need to copy this ENC token and paste it in this place. So right now algo started. Let's see how it goes. Only if movement is good, algo will take trades. Otherwise, it will not take trade. Complete all day it will wait. Okay. It will not even take single trade if movement is bad. So this is the process of updating Flattrade details in the algo for testing. We'll see you in the next video.